Welcome back into Local 3 News. And Tom, we're reaching the peak tourism season. We've had a lot of people come in and exit the UP in the last few days.
Yeah, and this is a time lapse all the way back to the 4th of July holiday. Notice the Mackinac Bridge has the flag out there on the, I think it's the North Tower. It looks like the North Tower there. But let's go through the past few days here of bridge traffic, and you can see definitely a steady stream. And in fact, by Saturday, or the 4th was Thursday, so this would be Saturday, the 6th, right by lunchtime, you can see it's all the way backed up almost to the towers, and then definitely a backup there. Everybody coming on into the UP, and welcome everybody. We're glad you're here. And as we went through the rest of Saturday, you can see traffic kind of winded on down, but we had heavy traffic at times coming into the UP, and then Sunday was a little bit heavier going out of the UP as well. I was looking at some Michigan Department of Transportation webcams around St. Ignace yesterday, and they were on the heavier side, and they were definitely packed. So we're going to go from traffic, Jake, to our weather here, and this is a NMU time lapse, and this is going back to earlier on this afternoon. We were starting to cloud on up, and the rain showers were starting to move on in here. And for the city of Marquette, for the most part, we were dodging most of the rain showers, but that turned into a different story around 7 o'clock when we got some heavy rainfall, including right here at the WJMN Local 3 studios. And then once we got to sunset, you can see the rain moved on out, and now we're just dry the rest of the night, but we're waiting on the fog. Let's fire up Max 1 and take a look at some storm photos from today. These storms did produce heavy rainfall. Cindy Scheffler of Escanaba sent this in, and you can see upwards of 2 inches of rain today. These storms were slow movers in producing locally heavy rainfall, and you can see at Cindy Scheffler's place in Escanaba, 2 inches of rain. Thank you, Cindy, for sending that in. And then as we take a look at some other photos here, let's head to Grand Marais. Paul K. Peterson, this was in between the thunderstorms today. Dog decided to get on out and head for a swim here, but you can see the storm clouds in and around Grand Marais. Thank you, Paul, for sending that in, but the bay looks calm. Kevin Dunham set this in here. You can see right around Wetmore. You can actually, excuse me, right around Autrain here, you can see the storm clouds building on in. Thank you, Kevin, as always, for sending in your nature photos, your weather photos, and they are always awesome. If you'd like to join our 906 Weather Watchers page on Facebook, feel free to join. Jake and I, Becca and I, Brianna and I would love to show off your weather photos during WJMN Local 3 News and also on upmatters.com. So through early Tuesday morning, it's not so much thunderstorms. It's going to be localized areas of fog, so just be aware of that if you're going to be out driving around. Tuesday afternoon, same drill again, some pop-up rain showers and thunderstorms, but overall temperatures are going to be running at or above average, more so above average by the time we get to the end of the week and to the weekend. So there's early Tuesday morning, just some fog around, but then by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon, some rain showers and thunderstorms pop up. Wednesday, notice more clouds in the east. That's all because of what's left of what was Hurricane Beryl. Now moving into the Great Lakes region on Wednesday, you can see some of that tropical moisture in lower Michigan. Some of that may clip the eastern UP, but for the most part, the east on Wednesday, more in the way of cloud cover as you head further west. I think it's going to be a mix of sun and clouds, and by the time we get to Thursday, high pressure builds on in. We should remain dry, but our in-house computer model wants to bring in some afternoon thunderstorms once again, but I think high pressure is going to be in control of our weather by the time we do get to Thursday, but we'll wait and see how that all pans on out. Keweenaw Peninsula for your Tuesday afternoon. We'll have to watch and see if some thunderstorms pop on up. Temperatures range from 67 in Copper Harbor to 82 for Barragan Lawns. For the interior west, we'll see low temperatures tonight in the upper 50s to around 60. Highs tomorrow right around 83 for Iron Mountain, 80 for Iron River, and right around 80 for Ironwood. As we move into the south central UP, we'll have low temperatures tonight, 50s to around 60. Highs tomorrow will be right around 80 or a little warmer as you head inland away from Lake Michigan and the Bay of Green Bay. For Newberry in the eastern UP, for your Tuesday afternoon, right around 80. Could see a pop-up rain shower or thunderstorm. For Alger County, we'll see low temperatures tonight, 50s to around 60. Highs tomorrow, right around 62 for Grand Marais. Warming up decently, though, as you head well inland, right around 80 for Trenary. Into Marquette County for the interior sections, upper 50s to around 60 for the rest of the night. Tomorrow, Tuesday, temperatures right around 80 well inland, and temperatures well inland and into the higher terrain will also be approaching 80 degrees. We'll go 77 for Ishpeming and Negaunee, right around 80 for Republic and Michigamme, and then for the city of Marquette, slightly cooler perhaps. High temperatures for the city of Marquette on Wednesday or Tuesday afternoon will be in the lower 70s. We'll call it about 71 degrees for a high temperature. And then as you can see, Jake, we're warming up into the 80s by the time we get to Friday on the weekend.